Hello. I thought we'd do a quick meditation before my next client turns up about manifesting. There is a theory, I like to say it as a theory, there's a theory that we can all manifest our dreams and goals. Part of it is putting your mind to the task of knowing what you want, believing it, and working towards it on a moment by moment, cell by cell, day by day basis. How do we do that? For a start, we need to work out what we're after. But sometimes it's even just things like I need to feel good about myself. I need to manifest the job that doesn't create issues in my world. So it's about finding things that we can do that allow us to love and respect and nurture ourselves day by day. So just a little short one. Okay. Hands on your emotional stress release points. I manifest what is needed for my destiny. I manifest what is needed for my destiny. I remove all guilt about manifesting. I remove all guilt about manifesting. My energy fields are clear and focused when manifesting. I am open to manifesting. I manifest positive relationships only. I manifest the right people in my life. I manifest the right people in my life who support my creativity and my right to my own destiny. I manifest great things with ease. I manifest great things with ease. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am worthy. Have a fantastic day. Enjoy.